Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume using your headphones Sony. So, buttons for volume control located on your right ear cup. And right here we have a plus button to volume up your music or movie, and a minus button to volume down your music. Now let me play some song. To increase the volume, you need to press one time on it or press and hold. So as you can see, increase it, I can also press and hold. To lower the volume, you need to use, as I said, minus button. So just again press on it or press and hold. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!